Hi guys! So today in this video I am going to unboxing my product जो कि आया है फ्लिपकार्ट की तरफ से। तो this is the product I'm going to unboxing it. Let's get started. This is the packet which I got from Flipkart. So first of all I will cut it with scissor. I will show you. After cutting it, this is my product inside the packet. I'm going to remove it. The packaging is very good. I'm going to remove this bubble packet. Comment below if you like this video. This is what my product look like. Now I will check it. Is there any default or not? I'm opening the wire. Too much difficult task opening wire. Wow, good. The length of wire is also good. This is a mic. It is of good quality. And there is one clip. Now fun time. Who likes to play with this? So this is the final result of my product. This is the mic and this is the clip. आप जिस भी ड्रेस में अपने माइक को इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ द क्लिप. आप अपने कॉलर में इस क्लिप के हेल्प से इस माइक को अटैच कर सकते हो. आई विल शो यू. वेट. नाउ आई हैव अटैच्ड माई माइक विथ माई मोबाइल फ़ोन एंड आई एम यूजिंग इट. सो आप लोग कमेंट करके बताओ कि the quality of mic and the quality of voice, how is it? And if you want to buy this product, if you like this mic, then please comment below. I will give you the link in the description. From there you can buy this mic. Thank you.